hope everyone had a happy 4th of July. As you can see, I have my red lips on today. Now that the day is finally over from eating and being at home, I'm going to remove my LipSense. And I've gotten questions, how do I remove my LipSense? Some people use makeup wipes. That's okay to use. I've used that before. Some people use their toothbrush and toothpaste when they're when they're getting ready to go to bed and they just scrub it off. I've done that too once, but the easiest way to kind of help you break down your LipSense color, because it doesn't go anywhere, not going anywhere, is to use Oops Remover. Now, this is the Oops Remover. Like I said, Oops Remover breaks down your color. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use your Oops Remover, okay? So keep this in mind. When you're wearing a lighter LipSense color like Bravo or Bombshell, it's going to be more easier to take off. Not like I'm saying it's going to come off throughout your day, but to wash it off at night, it'll be easier to come off. Whereas when you have your darker colors, you're going to have to take it off in layers. And don't be intimidated by when I mean in layers, because we use 3 layers when applying LipSense. Yes, that's a must always. And then topping it off with Glossy Gloss. So in order to remove your LipSense color, you are going to get your little washcloth with warm water right here, just like I'm using, and you're going to just dab off any gloss that you have from the day, like that, nothing on my towel, and then you're going to open your Oops Remover. Now we've got our Oops Remover open, and we're going to apply it back and forth. Just like that. Just as if you were putting a gloss on. Smells good. And then you're going to bring your lips together. Let it sit there for 20 to 30 seconds. Usually during this time, I get my makeup remover wipes and I just start taking off the rest of my face. But I want to look kind of pretty throughout the rest of this video, so I'm just going to show y'all with my lips how it's coming off. So let it just sit there for 20 to 30 seconds. As you can see, it's starting to come off. Seriously, so easy, a caveman can do it. Now I'm going to get my warm makeup towel. It's sat there already, so take a look. You go like that with your finger. There it is. Now I'm going to get it with my warm towel. And as you can see, I still have a little bit of some red there, so I'm just going to go over it with Glossy Gloss just to ensure it's all off. And do it again. I don't know why I shook it. You don't have to shake it. Old habits. You just go like that. That's how you remove your LipSense color off. The one time your LipSense color comes off is with Oops Remover. That's how you remove your LipSense color off. The one time your LipSense color comes off is with Oops Remover. We're going to go over it with the towel again. Ta-da! There, my LipSense color is off my lips. So after you've applied your Oops Remover, gotten all your LipSense color off, I recommend, to help your lips continue to be moisturized, keep dryness away, for you to use your Glossy Gloss. Because your Glossy Gloss, if you don't want to use your Glossy Gloss, I recommend using the LipSense Moisturizing Lip Balm. I like to use this at night. My husband even uses this. He threw away his Carmax. And that's how you use Oops Remover to take off your LipSense color. If y'all have any questions or are interested in any more orders, please let me know. I'm here to help you, and thank you for watching, and I hope y'all have a great rest of y'all's night. Mwah. Bye-bye.